Well, hello. Are we in a fancy new room? Are we at Walt Disney World? Yes, we are. And we are at Port Orleans Riverside in a royal princess room. Oh my goodness. This has been on the bucket list for a real long time. And I'm silly excited to finally be here. Hello, are you excited too? Yes, do you know what else? This resort is pet friendly, so you don't have to be a service dog to stay here. All the doggos are welcome. There's an extra fee if you're a regular dog, but you can still stay here. No fee, obviously, for service dogs, but Port Orleans Riverside is pet friendly. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna do a little room tour. This is so fancy. Oh my goodness. Right away when we came in, we've got a little Mickey with the towels. Look at that. Look how cute. A Mickey with the towels and a little Port Orleans Riverside postcard. Oh, no, it's from the housekeeping. Little note. So nice. That's so kind. Amazing. I put that back. It looks so pretty. Okay, and then over here to the left, as you come in, you have your table and chairs and a little note from Princess Tiana welcoming you to her resort. That is so cool. Got little bins over here with your air conditioning unit. And I also will say, we have a pretty nice view. So our room is technically a woods view, but we also kind of have a sneaky river view over here, which is the next highest level, which would be like we're getting a free upgrade, sort of. So this is nice. We have a river view and a woods view. Kind of awesome. We only paid for the woods view, but we also have a little river view. Also, this location here in Oak Manor is perfect because it's literally right across the bridge from the lobby and the food hall and the dining restaurants and the shopping. It's very convenient. You're very centrally located. So I would definitely choose to stay here again. Oak Manor, totally where it's at. Also, the royal rooms, they're pretty fantastic. Come on, they're pretty fantastic. And we even noticed the little details up here with Chip and the mice from Cinderella, Jacques and Gus. So adorable. I love it. Okay, over here on the wall, even though this is the princess room, you have to give a little homage to the princess. So we have all of the princes over here. And on this side too. Got Prince Aladdin, Prince Adam, Prince Eric, Prince Charming. All are represented. A lovely mirror. Very nice. A hidden Mickey in the lamp. So pretty. So cool. And then over here, 2 queen beds. Very nice. Love this Cinderella little stand for your coats. That's gorgeous. We're gonna get back to the headboards here in a second. There's gonna be a special treat on the headboards, which is very exciting. Coming over here to the television. Nice little welcome message from the resort. That's nice. And we have our coffee maker and our cups, ice bucket. Underneath, we have a chiller for all of our cold items. Yep. No freezer, but nice fridge. And then you have 3 drawers if you would like to do some unpacking. They're pretty large. And one of my favorite features over here, little bench that you may recognize from Beauty and the Beast. The little pup. The pup bench. So cute. And Tiana artwork. So pretty. That is amazing. We have the temperature controls right here. Love the curtains. Entering into the bathroom here, you have a closet with lots of hangers, extra pillow and blanket, steamer, iron, little safe over here to the left, another little bin down here. We've got lots of counter space, and I love that the faucets are Aladdin's lamp. Look at that. That is so cool. Wonder if we get 3 wishes. That would be cool. Got a housekeeping schedule here. Tissues. More towels over here. Lots of outlets. In the bathroom here, this beautiful, beautiful gold shower curtain. Let's see if we see any hidden Mickeys. But it looks like it is perhaps Princess Ariel's things from her grotto, maybe. I don't know. I'm seeing some thingamabobs, perhaps. And we've got some towels over here. And open up this lovely single shower head. Nice deep tub. Little bench right here for setting down all of your bath products and needs while you're in the shower. And then also you have your bath products here mounted to the wall: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, the H2O Plus line, and a little thing up there if you need to hang your swimsuits. Okay, and then there's also a mirror right here, full-length mirror in the back of the door in the bathroom. Heading back out into the main room here. This is a moderate resort. Got a couple outlets down there for plugging in things. And you've got lovely princess artwork over here on the wall. We have all the princesses. So pretty. Tiana over here. Snow White, Jasmine, Cinderella, Aurora, Belle, Ariel, all over here. Now, let's talk about, well, no, let's save the headboards for last. And we'll come over here and show you, we have a phone, and we have the electronic device here to help you with your planning. Should you need that assistance, you know what to say, which I will not say right now and activate it by mistake, which I've done in previous videos. We've got a couple of charging ports back there, charging all of your things, and a little drawer right here, a little extra storage, and also some storage underneath. Under the bed, no storage, but you've got that closet space over there, and also the 3 drawers here underneath the console here by the television. Oh, which also has, I didn't mention these earlier, more charging ports, and also things to connect for your smart TV if you would like to hook that in and use your devices. And now, let's talk about the bed. So, I believe that it is this button right here. Yep. And this button right here. And, oops, I got the one. There we go. Check it out. The bed does fireworks. It's just like when we stayed at the Disneyland Resort in California. This is awesome. The bed does fireworks. Come on, how cool is this? This is amazing. I love it. Okay, we're very excited to stay here. Gonna be here for 3 nights. Gonna have some Disney fun. It's gonna be fantastic.